There's 78 cards in a tarot deck. Each card signifies a different moment in someone's life. I've always had a strong interest in the occult and the stories behind artisan products, and I wanted to find a way to tie that all together. And this is the year that we're going to do that.
I think the Hermit was a good choice for me for a couple of reasons. When I started Templeton Tonics, it was just a passion project. And as it slowly grew and I got good feedback from customers, I started to realize this is something I really like doing. So I quit college and I quit my job so that I could focus on it full time. And taking those steps and kind of setting myself on a journey sort of made me feel like a hermit. Sort of out on my journey, learning from everyone that I can. As far as what kind of product we wanted to make, Steve suggested a clay, but we could go in any direction with the clay. And so I had to decide, what kind of clay do I want to make? So I decided to make Hermit easy to use, but also high performance. So I wanted to make it good for texture, good for washability, and easy scoopability as well. It was really important to us to keep Hermit super high performance and easy to use. So we made it water-based, which means that it'll wash out easy, and it's not designed for creating buildup or next day styling. Instead, it'll wash out of your hair super easily without leaving it feeling overly dry. As far as the wax goes, we only chose one, microcrystalline wax. It's got a high melting point, and it also stays pliable in your hair, so you'll be able to finger comb throughout the day. To keep the Hermit true to its intended design, we decided not to include any oils in the product. Instead, we're using shea butter glycerides as an emulsifier and also for conditioning properties. For the clays, the most important part of any matte product, we chose two different ones, kaolin and bentonite. Kaolin we decided to use because it's light in the hair and it helps add texture. Bentonite works really well with the kaolin and also helps absorb moisture from the hair, keeping everything matte and texturized. As far as the hold goes, we wanted to hit that sweet spot right between medium and heavy hold. So for me, it sits right at a solid firm. As always, when working with a water-based product, you want to keep it properly preserved. So we use a nice, strong, safe preservative. For the fragrance, I wanted to keep everything fresh and unique. So I put in notes of bitter orange, fresh lavender, bergamot, and of course, oud to tie everything together. Imagine you're sipping on a cup of Earl Grey tea with a freshly peeled orange right next to you, and there's some incense going. That's kind of what it smells like. I wanted to take a lot of Steve's insight as far as how to make the product, but he actually gave me full responsibility of producing the products in my home lab, which I'll be doing myself. And the product you'll be receiving is a collaborative effort between Lockhart's and Templeton Tonics. We call it the Hermit Matte Clay.